Link yourself to pure driving pleasure with the multiple connectivity solutions in your BMW with operating system 8. Always mobile. Connect your smartphone to your BMW via Bluetooth by going to Mobile Devices and select Connect Device. Activate Bluetooth on your smartphone. When it appears in the Mobile Devices menu, select it. A pairing code appears on the central information display and on your smartphone. Does it match? Click Pair. Your phone is now on your BMW's known mobile devices list. From now on, it will be paired automatically as soon as it is recognized. For an Android Auto or Apple CarPlay connection, also activate Wi-Fi on your smartphone. In the Mobile Devices menu, you can select between known devices and adjust settings. For example, if the phone book is only connected to your own profile. Or activate your smartphone as a media source. Tap on Apple CarPlay to connect your smartphone automatically via Wi-Fi and start Apple CarPlay. You can swipe to the right to open the app's overview. The Home button on the upper left brings you back to the BMW menu. Or simply tap on the BMW app in the Apple CarPlay main menu. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.